Good morning everyone. It's pretty early right now. It's actually just 8 o'clock right now. But I will have to leave the house soon because I have to drop off 2 wholesale orders at the post office. And the reason I have to be there so early is because the latest pickup time at my post office is 9:30 in the morning. So if I want my packages to go out the same day, I have to be there before 9:30. And I definitely will be today. It's actually a little bit annoying that the pickup time is so early, just because it makes everything a little bit more tricky. Because when I get a package from the postman, it's around 2 p.m., 1 to 2 p.m. Which also means when I get my package, I have absolutely no possibility to get it out the same day, because the packages at the post office have already been picked up at that point. So yeah, but luckily that won't bother me for too long, because we will probably be moving again this summer, and fingers crossed we'll hopefully be moving near a post office with a later pickup time, which is actually not too unusual, because all of the post offices I ever lived near were like 4 to 5 p.m. pickup time, and that would be totally okay with me. But now I have to get ready, and I will probably also take a little trip to the garden center, because I have to get a pot for my monstera propagation since its roots have already exploded. And yeah, I will probably take you along with me, so I hope you enjoy. I ordered some packing materials a couple of days ago, which just arrived, and now my studio basically consists of huge boxes. I already emptied one of them out, but haven't put it away so far, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And as nice as this area looks now over here, this table has kind of become a dumping table. Well, I guess some people have a dumping stool. I got this dumping table. I will figure this out another time. Maybe. Maybe not. We will see. Also, if you've been asking yourself in this vlog if this is a tattoo in my forearm, yes it is, but it's not a real one. It's just a sample I got from a new production partner for my temporary tattoos, and I have to say I really like them. They are probably the most realistic ones I've tested so far, so it's great. This is actually not one of my own designs, and I also gotta say that I have this on for 3 days right now and also showered with it, so I think therefore the quality is still pretty good. I just made a test print of all of my tattoos on a A4 sheet, since this is the actual size I want to get them printed. And the reason I printed them out is because I think it's helpful in the process of spotting mistakes, but also I wanted to see if the spacing between the individual tattoos is wide enough, because to be honest, I feel like even if you have the true to size option activated on screen, the spacing between the tattoos always appears a little bit smaller on screen than it does in real life, and that's why I think it's helpful to make a test print. And also, this A4 sheet will also cut into 6 separate sheets, which I did here. And the reason I don't get them cut directly by my printer is because 2 of these sheets would actually be the same price as one whole A4 sheet. But it's actually fine for me because I still want to sell them individually also, and not only in these sheet packs, which means I would have to cut some of them at least by hand anyway. Yay! I've just handed all of my new tattoo illustrations to my printer, which is exciting and also a little bit nerve-wracking because it's the first time I'm getting something printed with this printing company, and yeah, don't know how it will turn out yet. I hope great, because the samples were actually pretty great, but you just don't know how everything will turn out if you haven't printed with them yet. At least I only have black and white tattoos and no color tattoos, which minimizes the risk a little bit, I think. I just hope right now that the intensity of the black and whites will turn out similar to how they appear on my screen and to what I had in mind. But yeah, right now I'm just happy that I got the print file done, because everyone who watched one of my previous vlogs probably knows how much I love it to create print files. Yeah. That's my least favorite product, let's be honest. I don't know, I just can't get along with it. Creating the actual print file nearly takes me as long as it takes me to do the actual illustrations, which is crazy, but it's the only way which works for me, because I absolutely hate it to spot mistakes afterwards in my prints. So the only way to avoid that for me is to check everything about 1 million times. And yeah, that's about it. Please tell me I'm not crazy. It's actually been a couple of days since I've been to the garden center, but I've been busy with working on some new temporary tattoo designs for the shop, and I had to get them into print as soon as possible. So yeah, you've probably seen that a few clips ago, but today is the day I'm finally getting some of my plants repotted. This one, for example, will go into this one, and there are also some other ones which definitely need a repot, so let's do this. Pro tip right in the beginning, always be prepared with the tools you need. Can't go anything wrong, huh? Can you see this? This definitely needed a repot. How crazy does that look? Not that I want to toot my own horn, but look how pretty they look together. I love it.